Okay, so I have linked your geology notes into the earth science section. You're going to be working on those over the next 2 days. You will see the notes linked right here. And what I want for these notes, I've linked 3 pages from your textbook that will help you with them. The first section goes over geologic time, what definition of it, what is the time span, how long is the geologic time scale. Then the 4 intervals of geologic time, list each of them, and then next to them tell me this is the longest, second longest. Then obviously D would be the shortest. For uniformitarianism, you've already done a Venn diagram, so you have some pieces of information. You can use the same documents, the same textbook pages I linked. I want the catchphrase that goes along with uniformitarianism. I want the definition, like what is it, and then some adjectives to describe it. Same thing with catastrophism. It doesn't have a catchphrase, so there's only 2 points here. Definition, how does it change Earth's surface, and how would you describe it? Constructive forces and destructive forces, you're pulling those definitions from your vocab from last week. So give me a definition of constructive forces, and for number 2, give me the processes that are considered constructive. What builds up the Earth's surface? Then for destructive forces, define it and then give me the processes that are considered destructive forces. Again, you'll see that I've linked the book pages. I just simply took a picture of them and put them on a document. They're in order. 74 is first, 75, 76. And then continue working on your scrapbook. I'm going to be checking in with your group planner, your outline, and seeing who is adding or contributing to that. I'll also talk about the group slideshow in a video that I'll post tomorrow as well, Tuesday. All right, thank you.